Picture this. You sit down to write an email campaign, and instead of stressing out over words, AI does it for you. All right, folks, I'm super excited to talk to you today about Brevo, folks, this awesome AI generator for emails. Do you want to get hooked up with Brevo, guys? The link to do it will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I like it. It's smooth, it's slick, it looks good. You've got this calendar here, okay, so we can check the different days on the calendar there. We've got a section here, plan for today, okay, so the contacts, okay, you can have a little section here talking about expanding your reach with the sign-up forms. You've got your contacts there. You can easily add a contact with a blue button. And then on the top left, we've just got this little drop down with the home. All right, we've got the CRM section, got all the information about, like the contacts, the lists, the segments, everything like that, different tasks, automations, which we did touch on before. Extremely important to get that sort of initial traction going, okay? So you might have your website and they click on a button and an automatic email just comes through, okay? Let's go back to the home section now and let's go and have a look at just creating a campaign. We're going to hit that button right there and have a look. Create a campaign, standard, create a one-off campaign from scratch. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit email. But what's cool is you've got SMS, WhatsApp, and the push activate button as well. So we're going to show you an email with a subject line. All right, you got two options here, regular or A/B test, okay? Regular is basically just keep subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting your best-selling products, stuff like that, okay? The A/B testing is more about choosing an element in A to B test, okay? Recipients in your test group will receive either version A or B. But for the purpose of this, we're going to go ahead and just call this Satoshi campaign. So that's the campaign name. All right, we can have a look here. We can add it to a folder. So we haven't created any folders yet, okay? But you do have that option there. And let's just go ahead and hit create campaign. Let's add our subject in here. Crypto to the moon in 2025. Yeah, let's save that. And then the email content, you want to create that from scratch, right? Yeah, drag and drop. You've got campaign emails here as well. Okay, so you can try out different templates, which is cool. Also got pre-built basic templates, which are pretty nice as well. I might actually have a look at some cool ready-to-use ones. Maybe something like this. We can try this one. All right, so now we've got all these different sections here, okay? You've got title, text, image, video button, dynamic content, social logo, HTML, product, divider, payment link, navigation, and spacer, okay? And let's go ahead and test out the main feature, which is Aura AI. We want to maybe generate a title first, I would say. Crypto content. Let's have a look. Aura is preparing the answer. Unlock crypto secret today. Let's add it. And that's come up there. So that's pretty cool. Let's do an example for the actual description as well. That is super handy, actually. Let's generate a paragraph next. The crypto market outlook for 2025 Q4. Hit generate. Really effective tool right here. So quick as well. How good is that? That was like seconds. As you can see, it's given us a really effective little passage of information. We can add that in and we will. There's the title and there's the description. So really good. And once you're done with that, you can just go save and quit. So let's add a recipient. All right, so we've got that recipient in there and we can schedule it. Send it now. You can send it at the best time. All right, you can send it in batches. So we'll just go ahead and send it now. But that's cool that you've got all those little configurations there. And bang, campaign, Satoshi campaign is scheduled. This is something that I'm definitely going to have a crack at using because it's going to speed up a lot of my email generation time, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Now, folks, if it wasn't obvious already, Aura AI is essentially designed to just make your whole process a lot more streamlined, save you a lot of time. It's like your own personal copywriter at your fingertips. And in my opinion, something that really does set it apart from a lot of AI tools, which are a little bit generic, is that it's actually just built into the Brevo platform directly, okay? So it's all in one place, seamless and easy to use. So what this essentially does is, and why it's so important, is because it's keeping your tone aligned through your business, and your brand and your voice and your message is going to remain consistent for your clients, okay? So this is really important when you're developing a business. And yeah, folks, probably another obvious point is that this is going to save you hours of time, all right, especially over the course of like a year. And it's just basically going to free up your time as well, just to allow you to do more things, okay? You're going to be able to focus more on the strategy and the growth of your business rather than so much on just the writing, okay? The link to do it will be in the description of this video or in the pinned comments, guys. And also, folks, make sure that if you are going to be signing up for Brevo, folks, really important to get the maximum benefits. Make sure you use coupon code FUTUREAI, okay? All uppercase, or the link in the description. And guys, you're going to save a whopping 50% off your first 3 months. So go ahead, give it a try at 50% off, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, hit notifications. Take care.